So this is how you turn on the extractor fan if you're either cooking or you want to get some airflow in the van. So you want to start by turning on the switch for the roof fan on the control panel, and then you take this handle out of the slot and turn it over. You then want to turn it anti-clockwise, so where you get one rotation and it clicks twice, which opens the window, and then you want to keep turning it to as far open as you want. It will stop itself when it reaches the max there, and then you just tuck the handle back in again. In order to then turn on the fan, you want to use this switch here. So at the moment it's off, so you can see that this points towards the off, and all you want to do is turn it round to max or to wherever you need, which then brings the airflow out. On this side you then have a button, so if for whatever reason you want the airflow to be coming in rather than out, all you need to do is switch that, which turns it to in, but the majority of the time you'll just need to leave that on out. So if, for example, you're having a shower or you're cooking, or you just want to get some airflow, increased airflow in the van moving, you can turn that on and open the window. To close the window, bring the handle back out the hole and turn it clockwise. You'll get to a bit where you'll feel a little bit of resistance, and then you want to continue it round for the full circulation. You hear one click and then you push it back in the hole. Now to open the back window, all you want to do is push this button down and pull the handle, and you can pull it all the way up until it fits into that front slot. If you don't want it open wide fully, there are two settings on here that you can push it into. So one setting here and one setting here, so that it's partially open and still gives you that airflow. The other good thing about this is if, for example, you're in a place in the evening, you've got the lights on inside that could be attracting mosquitoes, you do have a fly screen, so you can have the window open in the evening for the airflow while not being bitten. And then in the evening when you're going to sleep, all you need to do is move this across to give you the blind on the window as well.